What's going on, brothers? This is Joe from Brothers Off Grid. Today I'm going to be driving to the west side of Washington State. I'm going to be hiking what was once a volcano 57,000 years ago. Now it's just a big old rock on the Columbia Gorge. I'm going to be doing a little fishing on the way. I plan to catch a bass or two. And then I recently bought a truck tent off of Amazon, so I'm going to be setting that up. And then of course, I'm always going to be cooking some gourmet food on the campfire. Hoping it's going to be a good day. All right, I'm about 100 miles in now. Stop at a gas station, get a little breakfast. Breakfast burrito. All right, pulling up to the first fishing spot. The weather's getting worse. I noticed the hell is it? What is this? Aiden, what are you doing in the truck bed?
I thought I'd tag along.
Why didn't you just ask me to come?
Well, here I am.
Look who decided to join.
Hey guys.
You thought I'd go camping without my brother, huh?
I'm here.
Let's go fishing. Oh my gosh. What happened to the pole?
This Walmart pole lasted me a very long time, but after about 20 casts, it's done.
You smashed it on the rock when you cast it?
No, it was literally just casting and it snapped.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
I still got my, should still have the end of it here.
Yeah, reel that end in.
Maybe I got a fish on the end.
God.
It's all good.
That just shows the type of fishermen we are. It's embarrassing.
It's still fishable.
Nothing wrong with that.
I will catch a fish with it. Well, I broke my pole probably 5 minutes into fishing. I think we're gonna have to find something else to do because I can't fish now. I don't think I've seen Joseph catch a fish before. So he'll probably just sit there and do nothing. So maybe we'll find something else to do.
Yeah, that's about it for me. I'm never fishing again. I'm dead serious. All right, we're at the next spot. This time I'm catching something.
I don't have a pole, but I'll watch, I guess.
We'll take turns. Well, fishing was a bust. It's mid-March right now, so it's a little too early in the year. Or we might just be bad fishermen.
Probably that one.
Yeah. Let's go to Beacon Rock. So this giant rock that we're hiking on is actually the center of an ancient cinder cone volcano that erupted 57,000 years ago. And supposedly the exterior of it was washed away by the Ice Age floods 15,000 years ago. That's what it says on Google.
Pretty crazy.
Pretty crazy to see and to hear. And then I guess supposedly those same Ice Age floods created the gorge here. And it carved out and created where the Columbia River is now. So that's a little history for you guys that I just read on Google.
And I can't wait to get to the top of it so I can eat some food. Didn't catch any fish. So we brought some cheese and what's the meat we brought?
Capicola.
Yeah, like it was like a 3 different variety pack of meats, and we brought some crackers. So we're gonna do a little bit of eating at the top of this rock. This is actually Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
This rock here was actually built by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
The founder of Beacon Rock.
Yeah.
The Rock.
And actually it was co-built by Rocky Balboa and Rocky Marciano. See you guys. Oh, we did it. I can't believe it, we did it, brother. Oh, that was like 10 hours later, 20 miles.
20 miles straight up, snowing, windy.
Oh my goodness.
I think there was a little bit of volcano lava coming down at us.
Yeah.
It was about the hardest hike I've ever done in my life.
A badger almost got my ankle. Yeah. Yeah, it was a half-mile hike. It took us about 30 minutes.
Not bad. It was pretty steep, but not too bad. It's a pretty cool view though.
Yeah, this is awesome. Check this out. Well, it's the big show. All right, we're still up here, but we came down a little, kind of went off the trail a little bit so we can kind of just sit down and have a little bit of lunch.
And get out of the wind a little bit too. It's pretty windy up there.
What do we have here?
Cheese.
Double smoked cheddar, meat tray. Please tell me you brought the crackers.
I brought the crackers and no smash. Did you bring a knife?
Yeah, I did bring a knife. All right, let's eat and enjoy this view. Pretty good after a long hike. 30-minute hike. That hit the spot. I'm about ready to go to the campsite now. Let's go test out this truck bed tent.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found this number on the Beacon Rock bathroom.
Yeah, I don't know who put that shit there.
You should be ashamed of yourself. There are children here. We made it.
This is it.
Little bit of the view here. Pretty cool little spot. So, first on the list today, set up the truck bed tent. Second on the list today, set up Hayden's tent. Third on the list, get the campfire going. And then lastly, we're gonna make some campfire nachos. Can't wait.
I'm hungry.
Little tour. $100 on Amazon, not too bad. Well, we don't know yet. Let's see if it keeps me out of the rain. Not too shabby. Oh man, it's a lot of room. Not bad at all. Nice and cozy. All right, it's kind of raining, but here comes the big reveal. Can't get any cozier than that.
Finally got it up. It is raining really hard, and we're gonna see how wet it got right now. My guess is it's pretty bad.
It's gonna be flooded in there. A little bit.
It's actually really not that bad at all. I'll be able to push all the water to one side. It's only a little puddle. Not bad.
To wipe it up too.
Oh yeah. I'll just take one of my jackets I'm not gonna use, and I'll get all the water out of there before I lay down.
It's way worse out here. Goodness. It started pouring down rain again, so I'm gonna need to cut up all the vegetables inside of the tent. It rained for about an hour and then stopped for maybe 20 minutes, so we thought that we had a little bit of time to cook dinner. Doesn't look like it, but luckily we're just making nachos. Super easy. We're absolutely starving. I'm gonna warm up the cast iron right on the coals there. And then we got this ground beef here, always grass fed. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's a nacho cheese.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I told Hayden we should open it before.
Nah. Don't open it.
Why?
Oh, wait to open it.
Put it in there without opening it. It's
Yeah.
gonna explode.
It ain't gonna explode.
Okay.
I did this with a can of raviolis once and it didn't do that.
Oh, that's pretty good though.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, but I didn't expect that, brother.
No, oh, God.
That's some hot cheese though. I like
No,
that.
that's good, yeah. That'll lay well.
Let's plate it up. All right, it will not stop raining. Luckily, this only took us like 20 minutes to get done.
We'll taste test it for you guys out here, but after that, we're gonna go in the truck because we don't want to get too wet.
I am too wet. I'm
Yeah.
drenched.
Yeah.
But here, let's do it.
It looks flipping really good.
It's just as good as it gets.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't get any better than that.
The thing is, too, is
Oh my gosh.
dang, that's good.
It's the best.
No, the thing is, nachos, probably one of my favorite food ever. It's good. It's nachos.
Yeah,
it's good.
You cannot go wrong with nachos on a campfire.
Uh-oh.
This is like luxury right here.
Pretty good. It just has like all the right toppings. We did forget cream cheese.
Sour cream.
Sour cream.
What the
We
heck?
forgot sour cream. It's still good though. Really good.
I'm gonna eat this whole thing easily.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I am too.
All right, well, we're gonna go eat in the truck to stay out of the rain, and then Hayden's gonna set up his bed, and then we're time to go to sleep. I mean, what time is it? It's like 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
So
Sometime around 9.
Yeah.
But we need to get out of the rain is the big thing.
yeah, let's eat.
Yummy.
Much warmer in here with the heater on. This is almost like luxury in here. This ain't no bushcrafting. Although I love bushcrafting.
We ain't no bushwhackers.
I love bushwhacking. I love tent camping. I love glamping. I love truck camping. I don't discriminate.
Good toast.
This is a solid meal deal. I mean, come on. Pretty crazy. Hayden decided to ride in my truck bed for 100 miles. Turns out he's in the back of my pickup.
I like to go camping.
Every last bit. How about you?
Just about.
I wish I could say I'm full, but I had a big appetite. I could probably eat a little bit more.
I can probably eat double of that.
And we forgot dessert this time, so that's sad.
Yeah.
So I guess I'll have sleep for dessert. Very used to that. It's about 9:30 now. I wouldn't mind it all laying down. I mean, the fire's out, so
Yeah.
might as well lay down and try to get an early sleep in.
Well, let's go set up my bed.
All right, brother.
You on the bed?
Yeah, I'm going to sleep. Is it still wet in there?
No. Not that. Once I have my sleeping pads down and stuff, it won't be that bad.
All right, dude. Well, it's freezing, so good night.
See you later.
All right, guys. I actually switched the sleeping bag around the other way because the truck is on kind of a grade. I didn't want all the blood to rush to my head. I'm already pretty warm, you guys, so I'm gonna just go to sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's about 7 in the morning. Just woke up a little bit ago. Basically slept through the whole night. It was pouring rain pretty bad throughout the night, but it stayed dry. I did get a little bit wet in here, but I think it was just from the condensation of like my breathing. But I stayed warm all night. This is the warmest night I've ever had. Pretty crazy. Overall, this truck tent is perfect. 10 out of 10. Howdy.
How's it going?
How'd you sleep?
Not too bad. It was a rainy night. It's not too bad. I'm definitely ready for breakfast.
Today we're doing chicken fried steak. This is your favorite breakfast meal, isn't it?
Yep.
Chicken fried steak.
That's my go-to every time.
This is just flour here. We got some of these cube steaks. Definitely don't season it with Johnny's, but we're camping, so Johnny's is the camping seasoning. You go flour, egg, back in the flour, and right in the oil. Alright, it wouldn't be chicken fried steak without country gravy. Can't really cut into them, so a little tough.
It could be crispier, but not bad.
We should have made more gravy.
Yeah.
The gravy is so good on it. The eggs are over medium. The best way to eat eggs.
I want mine over easy.
Well, honestly, I can't believe we pulled that off.
I know.
In the rain.
I know. And of
Like,
course,
it's nuts.
all morning, no rain at all. And then right when we start cooking, rain.
Exactly. And I'll probably die right when we leave.
Probably. I don't know. It looks pretty nasty out there.
We're just gonna finish up eating here, take the tent down, and get out of here, honestly. Nothing you can really do when it's raining out like this, except for sit in the truck, so.
So it's raining once again, and we need to take this tent down. So we're gonna try to beat the world record of taking a tent down in a truck bed in the rain. So go!
Time. If the world record is 20 minutes, we win. Alright guys, so we got everything picked up. The rain never let up, never helped us out. That's cool, and then the smoke's coming in my eye right now, so.
That's great.
Overall, I'd say this is my favorite trip besides the rain. We did a lot of stuff. Beacon Rock was really fun. Fishing sucked.
Yeah. I broke my pole after 10 swings. Cast.
I mean, for a March camping trip, this was pretty fun. It wasn't too cold.
No.
Truck tent kept me warm. Hayden's tent kept him warm.
Kept us out of the rain, surprisingly. It basically rained the whole time we were here, give or take a couple of hours. So.
Alright guys, and if you want to see more videos like this, we have a bunch of similar videos on our YouTube channel. And then we post every weekend. I mean, we're out here doing this weekly.
AKA, we're out here in the rain every week.
We're out here killing ourselves every week. But besides that, we'll see you guys on the next one.